What has it done for your self-confidence and for everything else?
Oh, everything's good. It's nice to look at in the mirror. You know, it's nice to look in the mirror again.
Today we're going to present Jay. He's 59 years old, and in September, about 5.5 months ago, he had a hair transplant performed to take care of the Norwood 4 pattern, as you can see there in the anterior part of the scalp. Now you can see he comes back at 5.5 months for a routine follow-up, and I'm going to point out the density, and I'm going to point out that the hairline is extremely natural. You can see here, hairline is very natural, and it's a very good density for 5.5 months. This is 5.5 months. So here was the Norwood 4, and this is the regrowth in 5.5 months. So Jay, what do you think?
Oh, I think it looks fantastic. I'm very happy with it, and that's why I came back to show you.
I appreciate it.
Very good.
And have you had comments from the friends, family, friends? Yeah.
Everything's good. Everything's surprisingly good, but you know, not many of them knew I was going to do it, so it just kind of snuck it in there.
And what has it done for your self-confidence and for everything else?
Oh, everything's good. It's nice to look at in the mirror. You know, it's nice to look in the mirror again.
And for anybody who's thinking of doing a hair transplant, why did you leave it till, I mean, you're not old when you did it, but you're 59, right?
Yeah, old enough.
Would you wish you had done it sooner?
Well, you know, I looked into other places, but I just never really came to that decision. I couldn't pull the trigger until I came here, and then it just seemed more natural here. And we got it done.
And got it done, yeah.
Yeah.
And do you like the hairline?
Fantastic. Great
and
job.
And the density?
Great job. Good.
And you're only at 5.5 months.
Only at 5.5 months.
So there's a good chance it may even double both in density and...
That would be great, for sure.
And what advice would you give to somebody who's thinking of doing a hair transplant?
I would say do it sooner than later. You know, it would have been nice if I did this 5 years ago, 8 years ago maybe. But it's okay now.